Greetings from us to you and yours. Glad to be back again with you for this Win-Win Way series. You know, being friendly, confident and knowledgeable when you are in a meeting is a professional skill. How will you acquire the skill? Will it happen overnight? Nope. You need to plan for it and then work on the plans. The very first step is planning. As I mentioned in Win-Win Way Part 6 and Part 7, always plan for a day, plan for a week, plan for a month, for 3 months, for 6 months, for 1 year and then for 3 years. Maybe I can help you a little to understand this with an easy example. Imagine there is this gentleman. We shall call him Raghav. Raghav is college educated, smart and ambitious. He wants to be a winner in life, but he has one major handicap. He is poor in English. He wants to attain proficiency in English because he understands it's a global gateway. How will he acquire it? He has to work at it with a clear plan. There are 2 essential things he should know before starting to plan anything. The first step is to know where he stands. Raghav seems to know where he stands. He didn't have an English medium education. He somewhat understands when someone speaks to him in English, but he cannot respond to them in English. He does not get the right words. And when he is asked to write in English, he hesitates. He is scared of his grammar mistakes. So that is where Raghav stands right now. The next step is to know where he wants to reach. His goal or objectives. He says, I want to learn to speak English fluently. I want to read English correctly. I want to write English properly in 3 years of time. His goals are clear. He is also aware that proficiency in any language involves 4 things: listening, speaking, reading and writing. LSRW for short. Up next, the bigger goal, the proficiency in English, is broken down to 4 smaller goals, in which he has to work at it one by one. Level 1, Elementary English. Level 2, Intermediate English. Level 3, Advanced English and Level 4, Fluent English. Now, what is the time duration he fixes for each level? He planned to work the first 6 months at Elementary English, the next 1 year at Intermediate English, the following 1 year in the Advanced English and the last 6 months at Fluent English. Perfect blueprint, right? Now, what is the time duration he set aside for every day? That means his action plan. He set aside every day 10 minutes for all the 4 LSRW, and it comes 40 minutes a day. As he walks along practicing LSRW, he understands working with vocabulary is equally essential. Therefore, he learned 10 new words every single day. By doing this method, Raghav finally achieved his destination successfully within the stipulated period of time. Very interesting, isn't it? Dear friends, I helped with planning in one aspect of life. The similar method you can apply in every aspect of life. The duration varies person to person and it purely depends on your personal commitment. Never begin the day until it is done on the paper. Here I ensure planning of the day. Planning is always a chain reaction. When you work well on the plan, the people involved are highly benefited. Hence, it is a win-win way. I wish you the best of the best. When interest and enthusiasm comes together, everything becomes a grist for the mill. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.